morning, dear children. Welcome back to maths class. I hope all of you are fine and healthy. Already we have seen one chapter, isn't it? So already we have revised one chapters. Today I want to take up a new chapter, that is simple equations. Simple equations. Class 7th mathematics. The chapter is simple equations. What is the meaning of equations? The word itself indicates equal. So equation is a statement containing equal signs. A statement containing equal signs. A statement containing equal signs are called as equations. A statement containing equal signs. For example, in your earlier class, I think you might have learned. So x plus 4 is equal to 2. Isn't it? It is a statement containing equal signs. It has two sides, namely LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side. For you, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Isn't it? So equation has two sides, left hand side and right hand side. So in this left hand side, x plus 4, again this is called as an expression. What? An expression. So what is the meaning of expression? Expression is a combination of variable and constant. Variable means it is these small English alphabets. Small English alphabets are called as variables and the numbers are called as constants. So what you mean by variable? English small alphabets, for example X, Y, L, M, A, B. These are the variables. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 dash are called as here constant. Constant and variables, combination of variable and constant is called as expression. In an equation, one side is expression, other side is constant. Moreover, that we should contain two sides with the equal signs. Clear? Equation is a statement containing two sides. Also, what about x plus 5 is equal to 12? Here I said it is the variable. What about the power of the variable? Degree. What is the meaning of x? X to the power 1. The degree of variable or power of variable is 1. An equation having degree 1 is called as simple equations. An equation having a variable is of degree 1 is called as simple equations. Usually we won't write. So we won't write like this. X to the power 1 plus 2. We won't write. Simply we will write x plus 2 is equal to 4. Here. Next. What do you mean by solution of the equations? Solution. What is the meaning of solution? Solutions means finding the values. Solution of the given equation. Suppose equation is given. They ask to find they ask solve the given equations. Solution of the given equations. Solutions means finding the values of the equations. I mean, for example, 5 plus x is equal to 2. 5 plus x is equal to 2. Solution of the equation is what? You need to find the value of the variable. You need to find the value of the given variables. Here, which is the variable x? How we can find the value of the variables? By using different rules. By using different rules, we can find the value of the variable. For example, first rule is, so just I will change 5 plus x is equal to 8. I will make out. So 5 plus x is equal to 8. By different rules, we can find the solutions. First rule is by adding the same numbers on both sides. this final I will come back. There are different rules adding the same numbers. Adding the same numbers on both sides. For example, x minus 1 is equal to 7 is given. What is the meaning of adding the same on both sides? X minus 1 is equal to 7 is given. We need to find the value of x here. So we need to cancel the constant. So you have to add plus 1 both sides. If you add the same values, equation won't change. It balances. So can you see? You know the simplifications. Plus 1 and minus 1 get cancels. X remains is equal to 7 plus 1 is 8. So solution of the given equation is what? What is the value of x? X is equal to 8 by 8. The first rule is adding the same number on this both sides. Second one is subtracting the same number on both sides. For example, x plus 1 is equal to 9. It is given. Subtracting x plus 1 is equal to 9 is given. Finally, we need to find the value of x. X should be remain in the left side. So we have to subtract minus 1 because it gets cancelled. So x remains. This side also minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. There are different examples. I am using this one. So the next one is multiplying the same numbers on both sides. Multiplying same numbers on both sides. For example, 3 by 5 x is equal to 15 is given. 3 by 5 x is equal to 15. Multiplying the same numbers on both sides. So 3 by 5x is given is equal to 15 is given. We need to multiply same number so that denominator get cancels. So what remains? 3x is equal to 45. Understood? Or x is equal to, finally come this. Next I will explain this. We read 3x is equal to 45 we will get, or x is equal to 45. When 3 comes this side, it divides. So 3 15s are. So x is equal to 15. So the fourth one is dividing the same numbers. Isn't it? Dividing the same numbers on both sides. So I will take up the example as I given in the notes. 3x is equal to 15. Now we need to divide the same number on both sides. 3x is equal to 15 is given. Let's divide by 3 so that 3 get cancelled. So x is equal to 3 5s are. This is 4 steps. These are general rules. I think already you have learnt in 6th standard. So the fifth one is LHS and RHS transposing or interchanging. Interchanging means what? Fifth rule. Interchanging the LHS and RHS. Interchanging LHS and RHS. So what is the meaning of this? 24 is equal to 2 plus x. That may be given. How we can write these? Interchanging LHS and RHS means this is RHS, this is LHS. In the place of, you can bring up 2 plus x is equal to 24. Just interchanging the sides. Just interchanging the sides. So that we can find the value of x. X is equal to 24 and plus 2 go that side, minus 2. X is equal to 24 minus 2 is 22. These are general rules. So the sixth one is transposing from one side to the other side. Transposing. What happens when transposing? Sixth one, transposing. When I transpose a number from one side to other side, if the number is plus, it changes to minus. If the number is minus, it changes to plus. If the number is multiplied, it changes to divides. If the number is divides, it changes to multiplies. For example, 2x is equal to 4. We need to find the value of x. X is equal to 4. X as it is, equal sign as it is, 4 as it is. when 2, if you bring this side, the relationship between these two is multiplication. 2 is multiplied, when it goes to right side, it divides. That is the meaning. If it multiplies, it divides. So 4 plus x is equal to 12. We need to find the value of x. X as it is, equal sign as it is, 12 as it is. The relationship between x and 4 is addition. When it goes that side, it transposes 2 minus 4. This is the meaning I said. The next one is solving the equations. How to solve the simple equations? How to solve the general equations? By using this point, we can solve 5x minus 1 is equal to 74. Then we can solve this. So what they are given? 5x minus 1 is equal to 74. We can use different methods. So 5x minus 1 is equal to 74. We have seen by adding, by subtracting, by multiplying, by dividing, interchanging the sides and transposing. So let's say the minus sign is there, minus 1 is there. For both the sides, let's add plus 1. So what happens? This minus 1 get cancels, isn't it? What is the reason? Adding the same numbers on both the sides. Here 5x remains, that is equal to 74 plus 1 is 75. We need to find the value of x. So divide the same number on both sides. What is the meaning of that? 5x is equal to 75 is given. Divide the same numbers on both sides so that the equation remains balancing. If you write only one side, it imbalances. So we need to divide both the sides so that value won't change. It remains as it is. Here 5 get cancels, isn't it? X is equal to 5 how many times? 5. 15 times. 15 5s are 75. So the value of x is how much? 15. The next type of question is check whether the value of the given in brackets is the solutions. Equation is given like this: 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Suppose the value of n is 2. Whether the value of n is 2 satisfies the equations. Their question. So 7n plus 5 is given. You need to find the value of LHS here. RHS is 19. Whether LHS is equal to RHS. Their question. When you place the value 2 in the place of n, you will get the LHS. So let's see. 7 into in the place of n as 2 plus 5. 7 2s are 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5 is 19. Isn't it? This is LHS. Okay, what about RHS? That is also 19. And what I am saying? Equation is given. After substituting the values of n as 2, whether left side becomes 19. If it is so, LHS and RHS are equal. Then last question is transpose the values and check the solutions. Transpose the values and check the solution. You have to verify. The equation is 14 is equal to 27 minus x. What is the meaning of transposing? You have to bring the left side to right side to left side. So when 14 is given as it is, equal sign as this is, 17 as it is. Let's bring minus x to this side. It's called as transpose. When minus x comes this side, it becomes plus x. Or x is equal to 27 as it is, x as it is, equal as it is, 27 as it is. Let transpose 14. This is plus 14 and both that side becomes minus 14. So x is equal to 27 minus 14 is 13. Now in this LHS 27 minus x, we need to substitute the value of x as 13. Let's call check verification. 27 minus x is 13. 27 minus 13 is how much? 14. Is it true? Yes. So that is called as checking. So yesterday I have given notes till here. Remaining let's discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.